In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a QR code to your Wix website. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support such a functionality, we are going to have to make use of a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. So the first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the elfsight.com website. Once you click the link, this is the page that you're going to land on. From here, head over to the navigation menu on top of the page, and then there you will find the widgets button. Hover over it and then go to tools on the right hand side and then go all the way down until you find the QR code. In my case, it's right here. So click on that, and then this is going to take you to the QR code generator. Now from here, click create widget for free right here. And then this is going to take you to the template section. From here, you can choose a bunch of different QR codes. So as you can see, there's loads of them. I'm going to go for watch YouTube video because I want to promote one of my YouTube videos, for example. Once you're happy with the template, and by the way, don't worry about the look of it. This is something that we can change later on. I'm going to show you how to do that. So go ahead and choose one and then click continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then this is where we need to customize the QR code so it does what we want it to do. So as you can see currently, it's set to URL. This is the type of the QR code. Click on URL right here and you can change it to pretty much anything that you want, including location, email, text, phone, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Bitcoin, file, Wi-Fi, whatever it might be. So change to that and then enter the relevant data right here. As you can see, since this is a URL, I want it to go to elfsight.com, not a YouTube channel in this case, or a YouTube video. On the left hand side, you also have info, frame, and style. So frame here, if you don't like the look of this one, for example, you can change it to whatever you want. I'll just stick to this one because I like the look of it. Under info, here you can set a title for the QR code. So if I just put in QR code like this, you have a logo here that you can also change if you want to. You can set a call to action, and then a bunch of different things. You have style here, so you can play around with the colors if you want to. In my case, I'm not going to do that. So yeah, these are all different things that you can consider once you're setting up your QR code. So go through them and then decide what you want your QR code to look like. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and press the button down here that says add to website for free, and then this is going to generate the QR code widget in just a couple of seconds before taking you to this page right here. However, before you actually get to this page, it will ask you to log in into the Elfsight platform. Here, you can either create a standalone account straight for the platform itself, or you can log in through your Google account, which is what I've done because it's nice, quick, and easy. So once you're logged in, you will see your QR code right here, and then all you have to do is click on publish in the top right corner of the screen right here. So go ahead and do that, and then this is going to take you to this plan selection page right here. Since this is the first widget that we're going to be using, we can opt for the free plan. However, in the future, if you do decide to use multiple of their widgets, you will have to opt for one of the premium plans right here. But for now, we're going to stick to the free plan. So go ahead and click select, and then this is going to take you to this section where you can copy the code of your QR code widget. So click this green button right here, and then head over back to your Wix website. As you can see, I'm already in my Wix editor, and then I'm already on the page that I want the QR code to be added to, the homepage. And as you can see, I've also got plenty of space right here for the QR code. From here, head over to the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see the search button right here. Click on that and then search for HTML. Then click on embed underneath add to site, and then on the left hand side of the screen, a new menu is going to be opened up. From here, underneath popular embeds, I want you to click embed HTML, and then that's going to add an HTML box right to your Wix website. From here, all you need to do is add the code that we just copied, and then click on update right here, and in a couple of seconds the widget is going to automatically update. So you can see the QR code is already here, so size it accordingly just like this. You can also make it smaller if you want to, like that, and then add it whatever you want on your website. I'm going to stick it right there. Then let's go ahead and preview it and see what it looks like. As you can see, there's the QR code right here, and people can just scan it, and then that will take them to the destination that you've set. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a QR code to your Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.